So what you can also do is utilize Copilot to generate out stories. So for example, I'm going to go around and say, write a story about a girl who was YouTube channel, learned about animation and was successful. Right here, just like this, you are successful. And I'm going to go around and say, write this story in 2 paragraphs right here, just like this, and make it no more than 150 words, just like this. So now I'm going to go around and say this right here, write a story about a girl who was a YouTube channel, learn about animation and was successful. Write the story in 2 paragraphs and make sure that it has no more than 150 words. So once I go around and do this right here, then what happens is that you simply get this particular paragraph right here. So here you can see that it says, once upon a time in a small town nestled along the hills lived a curious girl named Maya. She spent her evenings huddled in front of a computer screen watching YouTube tutorials on animation. The channel's creator, enthusiastic artists, shared tips on software, storyboarding, and character design, and inspired by these lessons, Maya embraced. And you can see that this is what you have right here. So you can see that it generated out a story in exactly 2 paragraphs right here, just like this, and then you got your story right there, just like this. So that is how you can utilize Microsoft Copilot to generate out stories as well. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.